guys, we're going to talk today about fractions being equal to 1 or a half. Okay, so this should be just a review for fractions equal to 1. Anytime the numerator is the same as the denominator, it equals 1 whole. So for instance, 2 of the 2 pieces are shaded in. 1, 2, the whole thing. 3 of these 3 pieces are shaded in. So the whole thing is shaded. 4 of the 4 pieces and 5 of the 5 pieces. This should be a review. So now let's take a look. If I scroll down to half. Okay, so obviously if we have a picture of it, it's easy to decide if half of it's shaded. Okay, here 1 out of my 2 pieces is shaded. Okay, if I took 2 and I divided that in half, I would get 1. 2/4. Okay, 4 divided by 2, because half is 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so 3 out of 6 would be half. 8 divided by 2 would be 4, so when you color in 4 out of 8 pieces, that would be half. This is super simple. It's building us up to the next thing. We've already been taking our whole and part, so 1 and 1/2 is the same thing as 3 halves. We've been doing it that way. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at what we're doing if we did that backwards. What if we had 3 halves? How many wholes, so we need to know what a whole is, and how many parts will that be? Okay, so this is just building blocks up to the next thing. So take a look at this. Do the lesson practice problems, have somebody check them, and then do the problems for the day. See y'all later.